Alright, let's check out my new fairings on the Honda CBR600RR. Here it is. The new fairings on the Honda CBR600RR, aka the printer. Look at this. So pretty. So clean. I call it the printer because it got the Konica Minolta logos on it. And a friend of mine called it the printer. And I had to put the Wu-Tang stickers on here. Yes, I am a huge Wu-Tang fan. And a PlayStation sticker. It looked plain right here, so I had to put something up here. But look at this beauty. So pretty. So clean. Yes, I love the way this looks. And I have to say, this was a bitch to put on. Yes, this was a pain in the ass. And I don't want to do this project no more. Have you ever started a project and you regret starting it? Yeah, that was this bike right here. And why I say that, because these are aftermarket fairings. These not OEMs. And I wish I would just save up the money and get regular OEMs. Reason why? Because OEMs fit the bike a lot better. Aftermarket, you don't know what you're going to get. Like right here. I cannot get this connected to save my life. And also right here too. This side's the only problem I had. And also right here, I made a mistake and broke the hook off right here. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that together. But yeah, this was a bitch. So if you're gonna do this, I recommend saving up your money getting the OEMs. I got these aftermarket fairings off eBay for about almost $400. And honestly, I wish I would just save the money and got OEMs. That's why I recommend getting OEMs, because if you get OEMs, you know it'll fit your bike. Aftermarket, you don't know what you're getting. But the aftermarket are just, they're not that great. And the bolts that they give you are very cheap. Keep your regular OEM bolts, because the aftermarket are just trash. But overall, I'm glad the project is done. I'm glad I got it on the bike. But man, I do not want to go through this again. But it's looking pretty. Yeah, I love this. And I got the regular OEMs right here. The red ones. Packed up in this box right here. Red wasn't really my favorite color. I like this a lot better. Yeah, so pretty, so clean. And everywhere I go, a lot of people say, hey man, that's a pretty bike. I like the way the Konica Minolta logos look. Alright guys, it's just a quick video, show you what I've done to the bike. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Don't forget to hit my like, subscribe, comment. Until next time, peace.